the Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. A perfect store. Then again the holy Sattva Vajra addressed him with these words. The unsought is obviously perfected in the heart essence of wisdom. Lord, please explain this to me clearly, without confusing the particulars. Then the Tathagata Vajrasattva proclaimed these words. Reality is the self-evident Bodhicitta. There is a magnificent non-dual wisdom in the mandala of self-evident self-awareness. When we do not continue to divide and combine things, our awareness will be engaged in what this means. But we use a division of real things and thoughts to present how to see it, and we teach it like that, using two ways to perceive the essence. This is not the wisdom of self-awareness. When we cease to continue with the dharmas that cut off yoga, our three bodies are perfected in the space of awareness. Our abode is uncomplicated awareness. Its teaching is a self-luminous mirror. Its time is inconceivable. The treasure of awareness is inclusive of every composition. It is none other than the self-luminous itself. Awareness is a treasure that does not shift or change. Its perfection is not fixed. You will understand this in a time that thought does not comprehend. O Mahasattva, this teaching that the pure land of the embodiment of the Dharma is a Dharma treasure and is encompassed everywhere by the sky, is that reality and sentience are inseparable, but are described to be a pure land of the embodiment of the Dharma. The place is the Akanishta of awareness, a blazing crystal palace that is without embellishments, a house for wisdom that has no borders or center, where both sentient beings and Buddhas reside. Our teacher, the self-evident clear light Vajrasattva, the Lord of the Dharma, uses the essence of unspeakable awareness to teach the Dharma that does not come or go. His uncomplicated blessings spread in the 10 directions. The essence of self-luminous awareness is explained using unspoken blessings. We are aware of ourselves in the wisdom of magnificent self-luminosity. We understand this forcefully. The retinue is the Buddha himself. We do not abide by the dualistic dharmas that others do. The retinue is made from the resolve of the clear light of awareness. It gathers and remains without being organized. Everything is the heart essence of wisdom.